Hello, it's Debra Jason, the accidental artist with Creative Whispers of the Heart. And in this video, I'm going to be painting holiday ornaments. I'm using a new technique. You may have seen my videos number 16 and 29, where I do paint holiday ornaments, also known as holiday baubles. But in today's video, I'm doing a technique using plastic wrap. So they look like this. This is one of them. Here's another one. I have to be careful not to drop them because they are glass. But this is one of the other ornaments. And here's one more. They're really beautiful, aren't they? Just love the way they come out. So in this video, to do this technique, you're going to need some plastic wrap. And you're going to need an ornament. This one's white. It was already white from the packaging. I did not have to paint it. It is glass, and you can also do it with plastic ornaments. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm starting with a piece of plastic wrap. It's approximately 12 inches by 10 inches. I don't really measure it before I start. I just tear it off the roll. Here's my glass ornament. I do take the cap off. And for this one, I'm going to be using Teal Serene. I just drop it in kind of a circular motion around the plastic. Then I'm going to add some amethyst. Oh, it's giving me a hard time. There we go. Dropping it around wherever you feel like it. And finally, I'm adding some brass. The brass, I have to shake it up. It's already pre-mixed with a little bit of alcohol. Sometimes it's hard coming out of the bottle. I do have one of those little beads in there to help shake it up. See, I have to shake it. There we go. Shake it some more. You can see I'm just randomly putting down the inks. I'm not mixing them together. Then I add the ornament. Put it in the center and pull the plastic wrap up and wrap the ornament with the plastic wrap. I'm moving the wrap around and the inks around to make sure it all gets covered around the ornament. I don't want the plastic to be flat and smooth. I want it to be crinkly and wrinkled so that it creates patterns. Pushing the ink around some more, twisting the plastic wrap, and then I let it sit overnight. It's been sitting overnight, and now I'm going to unwrap it. Pulling off the plastic, it's a little sticky from the ink, but it should be dry now. Awesome, look at it. I just love the patterns that are created with the plastic wrap. You can see the brass. You don't see as much of the teal. It's in there a little bit. You can see hints of it. The ornament mostly came out purple, but look how beautiful it is. Oops, rolling away there. So I'm going to find my lid and put the lid back on there. It's kind of like a little spring. You push it together and put it back in, and you have an ornament painted using alcohol inks and plastic wrap. Here's what it looks like. Then while I was off camera, I decided to do another one. This one, I just used two colors, watermelon and brass. Using the same technique I showed you earlier, I dropped the watermelon and the brass on the plastic. Then I wrapped the plastic around the ornament, and here's what it looks like. Pretty neat, don't you think? Again, I'm going to find the lid and put that back in the ornament. When I'm done, I spray it with Kamar Varnish, and then when that varnish dries, I dip it in Liquitex High Glass Varnish. And this is how it looks when it's done. I hope you'll give this technique a try. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like it. Better yet, comment below or share it. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a million for watching.